up everybody, Jack here for Gopro's World, and today I'm here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, the home of Disney's Hollywood Studios. And today we are going to be doing this specific location. So inside here, that is where it's called Rise of the Resistance. Now, here's what happens, that I did it once privately this year, and it looks so amazingly awesome. I've never seen so much full effects. It's so cool. But more importantly, this is gonna be my second time, but this time will be the first time be on the GoPro. So everyone, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the wildness run of Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. Enjoy!
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the doors of the prison.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Soft target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir,
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
And there you go. So that was the ride, and oh, it looks so awesome still. I recommend everyone here to go to play Storing in Rise of Resistance Star Wars at Galaxy's Edge. It is so fun, so cool, and more importantly, just I love the ride for it. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and remember, drop a big massive like for the video, drop down in comments below your thoughts on the ride, and give us your thoughts. What was your first time riding on Star Wars Rise of Resistance? Was it on launch day, a year ago, or even today, or in the future, and others? Put down your comment below, and I'll give you the love half of the support. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See you all later.